guys, I'm outside of Walgreens and I'm here for the deals that start today, Sunday, November 10th and go through Saturday, November the 16th. Okay guys, there are a couple of really good deals going on this week at Walgreens. I guess depending on what you want is how great you will value those deals. A couple of things that I really want and I think that are great. The first deal I want to show you though is on this one right here, and it's buy 3 at $4.99 and get 1 free. We have a coupon and our 1027 P&G for the Tide Flings, as well as one for the Tide Liquid. Now that, as you can see, apparently people have been hitting this deal pretty well. We still have Tide left. So look at there, it's not marked yet, but you did see in the ad that it is just $4.99. You buy 3 and get the 4th free. That also applies to the Bounce and the Downy products, but I'm going to stick with the Tide products simply because of the coupons that we got. If you buy 3 of these, the coupon does stipulate you can use 2 of each coupon. So if you buy 2 Tide liquids and 1 Tide fling, which the flings are out, or 2 flings and 1 liquid, whatever, however you want to mix and match that and mix the coupons, and you have that, oh my gosh, if you have that $2 off when you spend $15, that would make an incredible deal. You would pick up 4 of these items. You can only use 3 coupons though, because you're only paying for 3. So you would actually use that, clip that $2 off when you spend $15. You would pick up your 4 items of your choice, make sure that 3 of them are Tide, so you have a coupon for each of those. You would pay, say you picked up something for 25 cents. You would pay $15.22. Well, that would be your total. That $2 off of 15 would come off. It would then go down to $13.22. You would then use 3 of those $2 off coupons and it would go down to $7.22, or you would pay like $1.80 something for each of those 4 products that you picked. So that's a really great deal going on the Tide Flings, and what were those other things that they had? I forgot. I'll show you in just a sec, but that's a really good deal if you did not stock up on laundry products. Another deal going on this week is on the Crest toothpaste. When you buy 2, you get a $4 register reward. I'm sorry, when you buy 3. We have a digital coupon that's $5 off when you buy 3, and they're $2.99 each, and you get a $4 register reward, making for a great deal on the Crest toothpaste. The same on the Oral-B toothbrushes. Our store is not marked, but we just checked, and it would be these. That would be $2.99 part of this deal as well, and that coupon 5 off 3 does apply. A continuing deal this week is on the Colgate. When you buy 2, you get 4,000 points. In the 11.3 Smart Source, there is a $1 off coupon. So you buy 2 for $6.99, use 2 of those coupons, get a $4 register reward. Great deal on Colgate toothpaste. Tresemme shampoo conditioner is marked down from $4.99 to $4.99, and when you buy 3, you get 5,000 points. A lot of you in the 11.3 Retail Me Not got that coupon, $2.50 off 1 or $5 off 2, however that went. I did not get that, but I did get a digital for 5 off 3. So if you didn't get the coupons like I did not, there is a digital 5 off 3, and then you get 5,000 reward points when you buy 3. Okay, if you color your hair, oh my goodness, this is such an amazing deal. Okay, so right now they are $9.99. I don't know what they are originally. Oh, $9.99. But anyway, okay, so the $2 that they're talking about actually comes from this book of savings on page 25. There is a $2 off coupon, but in the 10/20 Retail Me Not, on the Superior Preference and on the Feria, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, there is a coupon that is $5 off when you buy 2, saving an additional $2.50 on each one of these. Great deal if you color your hair. This week, ladies' speed stick or men's speed stick is buy 1 get 1 50% off. That would be a total of $5.24. There is a digital coupon that you can clip to your card, which would make these just $4.24, and you would get 3,000 points added to your card. The shave deal going on this week is on Gillette Select products. When you buy 1, you get 1 at 50% off, and when you spend $20, you get $5 register reward on your next purchase. Now my store is not marked, so I guess you would have to ask at the front which ones. My store you cannot scan because they are locked. I guess they still here, I don't know. But in the 10/20 Retail Me Not, there is a $4 off 1 coupon which you can use. Now because you have to spend 20, you cannot use points for this. But when you spend 20 and use those coupons, you still do a really good deal on the Gillette razors. not marked in store, but in the ad, Febreze is finally back down to $3, and the 1027 P&G, you can now use that BOGO coupon, making 2 of these $3 or just $1.50 each. Ricola 19 to 24 pack is on sale this week, 2 for $5. It is not marked in my store, but it is here. There is a $1 off 2 in this week's Smart Source, and also in this month's book there is a $1 off 2, which would make these just 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. Regularly priced at $2.99, the sandwich bags and the where are the freezer bags? I can't find those. Oh, I just had them. There they are now buy 1 get 2 free, making them just 93 cents each. Also not marked in stores yet, but when you use your card or write-up, crinkle fries are buy 1 get 1 free. And small trash bags are also buy 1 get 2 free, although not marked in stores. Here. In this week's sale is 50-cent Swansons. It's advertised in the paper, 50 cents, a great stock up price, especially with Thanksgiving and Christmas holiday season coming up. Scott paper towels and Scott toilet paper, which is also out here, is still 2 for $7 when you use this coupon book, and it takes $1.25 off with card, $7.50 each. There is a 75-cent off coupon that you can clip to your card digitally, 1 for the paper towels and 1 for the toilet paper, making for a great deal on Scott paper products. Okay, that's pretty much all I see this week, but here's what I'm going to show you. I normally never show you my shopping trips or what I buy and things like that, but I want to show you this week in particular because I am trying to flip this. If you will look, this expires today. There is nothing absolutely here that I have to have, and I don't want to lose that $10. I want to flip it over into something else. Well, because I have so many deals going on, like with points back, and I got a coupon that says I clip to my cards, save $2 when you spend $15. I tried to come up with things that would give me points back. So when I use this register reward, it's like paying cash, but I'm getting my points back. So the 3 Tresemmés are going to come to $14.97. When I add the 3 toothbrushes, they're $2.99 each. And remember, I buy 3, I'm going to get a $4 register reward. Now it is another register reward, but it's going to buy me another 2 weeks because I don't want to lose that today. If I don't use it today, I lose it. That's like $10 down the drain. So when I add the toothbrushes, those are $8.97. That's going to be a total of $23.94. I'm then going to deduct the $5 coupon I have that I've clipped to my card for buying 3 Tresemmé, and the $5 off 3 Oral-B that I've clipped to my card. That's a savings of $10. My total is now $13.94. I'm then going to use this $10 register reward, which is saving me $10. And I almost forgot that 2 off 15 that I have is going to come off. My total is going to be $1.94 plus tax. Now, as if that wasn't enough, I just picked up a prescription and I got one of these boosters. So it's amazing. So before I pay anything after putting my card, I'm going to get 5,000 points for that too. So my total is going to be less than $2. And I'm okay with paying $2 for this in an effort to roll over my 10. And I'm still going to get my 10,000 or my 10 points back, $10 in points, or however you call it. But I will not lose them. All right, I'll show you my receipt after checkout. Okay, I'm in the car and here's my receipt showing where I brought the 3 Oral-B toothbrushes and the Tresemmés. I didn't know what rang up like that. 1 and then 2 and then 1 and then 2. I'm not sure, maybe because they're the same. But I'm having a problem with this. Look, my 2, when I spent 15 came off. My $5 when I buy 3 for my Tresemmé came off. My $10 register reward came off. My 5 off when I buy 3 Oral-B products and toothbrushes was included did not come off, and I'm not understanding why. So I had to pay $6.94, and I was not going to at first, but I really need to roll over those register rewards. But I also had that booster that gave me 5,000 points, so I knew it would end up with 10,000 points, but I'm not sure why that $5 coupon did not come off. I will call customer service and see what they say, but there's my 10,000 points, 5 for buying the Tresemmé, 5 for using that booster, get 5,000 when you spend 20, and here is my register reward that I got, and it actually gains me like another couple of weeks on there, so I can do something with that and flip it. Alright guys, that's it for this week. That's my Walgreens. Until next time, happy couponing.